Good morning, children. I, Mrs. S. Ojha, I am going to teach you computer. In previous class, I had explained you computer history. In this class, I will explain you classification of computer according to size. These are 4 types. These are classified according to functions, size, process speed, etc. Lesson 1, Computer History and Classification. Computer classification according to size. According to size, computer can be classified in the following categories. First, supercomputer. Second, mainframe computer. Third, mini computer. Fourth, macro computer. Supercomputer is the most powerful computer in the world. They are used for special purpose. They handle most complex scientific, statistical application or programs. Key features of supercomputer. These computers use very high level of technology. They have very high memory capacity. Data processing is ultra fast. Highly sophisticated technology is used. In these computer, parallel processing cost varies from $1 million to $5 million. Some example of supercomputer: Param Yuva Second, Tata Eka. World first supercomputer is Cray 1 that was developed by Samuel Cray in USA in 1976. Param 8000 is considered to be India's first supercomputer. This is picture of supercomputer. Mainframe computer. These are very powerful and large computer. They can handle many users at a time. Terminal are used to connect user to this computer and users submit their tasks through terminal. Terminal is a device which has keyboard and a screen. These are mostly used as servers for website on internet. See the picture of mainframe. computer. Monitor and keyboard is known as screen and keyboard. Next is mini computer. Mini computer is a class of smaller computer that was developed in mid 1960 and sold for much less than mainframe. Key features of mini computer: smaller in size than the supercomputer, large memory capacity, allows networking up to 100 terminals, cost in lakhs. IBM Z series is an example of mini computer. This is picture of mini computer. Next is microcomputer. Is also 4th generation computer. A microcomputer is a computer with a central processing unit, means CPU, as a microprocessor. Designed for individual use, a microcomputer is smaller than a mainframe or a mini computer. So most smaller computer is microcomputer. These are two types computers, laptop and desktop. Only one user can use these computers at a time. That's why they are also known as personal computer or PC. They are used everywhere like school, offices, shops, home, etc. Key features: smaller than mini computer, high speed computers, cost in thousands. They are portable in size. These computers use RAM as a primary memory. RAM means random access memory. These computers support different types of secondary memories for permanent storage of data, hard disk, DVD and flash drive. These computers also support almost all modern computer languages like Fortran, BASIC, COBOL, Pascal, C, C++, C hash, Java, SQL, etc. For example, HCL, Wipro, IBM PC, HP, Apple Macintosh. All the laptops or desktop which are in our home or school, library, they are called microcomputer. So I hope you understood all the topic. So do PDF work in your fair copy.